Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to apply sticky note animation in CapCut. First you need to go to the media and select your video on which you want to apply sticky note animation. For example, I am selecting these two clips and then select the video, and on the right side toolbar go to the animation section and click on the in tab, and after that find the sticky note animation. Click on that, and here you can set the duration, so you can reduce the speed to make it faster and increase the duration to make it slower effects, and here you can see that. So this is very simple and very easy. I hope you understand how to apply sticky note animation in CapCut Pro version. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.